Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a delicious breakfast casserole for my family. In this breakfast casserole, we are going to start out by preparing our vegetables. We are going to use some sliced onions. That's correct. Sliced onions, one small onion. Next we are going to slice some green and red bell peppers. This will add some delicious flavor to this breakfast casserole as well. So you don't have to have the whole bell pepper, but slice up half of the bell pepper and then slice the slices in half. But for me today, I'm using the whole bell pepper. So now we have our bell peppers and onions in slices. Next, we're going to salt up some water in a pot. We're going to add in 2 cups of noodles. That's rotini noodles. Now, I'm using lean ground beef instead of pork because I have some family members who cannot eat pork. So we're going to use ground beef. But since this is a breakfast casserole, if you guys want to use ground pork, go ahead and use some ground pork or use some ground turkey sausage. I season up my ground beef and I'm going to brown the ground beef like so. Once I have my ground beef browned and drained, we're going to add in our vegetables, the bell pepper, the green, the red, and the onions. And I'm going to add in some Worcestershire sauce. We're going to cook these vegetables down, which would take about 4 to 5 minutes. Now, while our vegetables are cooking down with our ground beef, I'm going to add some oil to the baking dish. You need a 9x13 baking dish. I'm going to mix half a cup of heavy whipping cream and 4 eggs and a teaspoon of Dijon mustard together in a mixing cup or small bowl. Now we are going to mix everything together. Here I have some cream cheese. That's 8 ounces of cream cheese. I'm going to add in my ground beef and vegetable mixture to my noodles. We are going to add half of the mixture for this breakfast casserole to the bottom of our baking dish. And once we get that half added to the bottom of the baking dish, we are going to add in some cheese. Now the cheese that I'm using is Italian cheese blend. You can use whatever cheese blend you like, but to me this is the best flavor, the Italian cheese blend. We are going to pour in our egg and heavy whipping cream mixture over the top. Then we are going to go in and we are going to add in some more cheese, like so, like that. And that was our second layer. Now we have everything assembled in our casserole dish, our baking dish. And I have my oven preheated to 375 degrees. And we are going to bake this for at least 30 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes. Until the cheese is nice and melted and our eggs are cooked all the way through for this delicious breakfast casserole. So now our breakfast casserole is done. Allow it to sit for a few minutes before serving it. And it is so delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.